Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about female reproductive system of cockroach. Female reproductive system. Okay, female reproductive system of cockroach. This is important. Okay. So the female reproductive system of cockroach consists of number one pair of ovaries. Pair of ovaries. Next, vagina. Next, genital pouch. Genital pouch. Collateral glands. Collateral glands. Spermathecae. Spermathecae. And external genitalia. External genitalia. Next, a pair of ovaries. A pair of ovaries lies laterally. Pair of ovaries lies laterally in the second and sixth abdominal segment. Okay, each ovary is formed of a group of each ovary is formed of a group of eight eight ovarian eight ovarian tubules are what you called ovarioles. Ovarioles is there. Next, containing a chain of developing ova. Chain of developing ova. The lateral ducts. Very important this one. The lateral oviducts. What we call lateral oviducts of each ovary unite into a broad what you called median common oviduct. Okay, common oviduct known as vagina. Vagina will be there. Next, which opens into the genital chamber. Next, the vertical opening of the vagina is the vagina is the vertical opening of the vagina is the female genital pore. Female genital pore. Female genital pore. Okay, this is important. A pair of spermathecae. A pair of spermathecae. Pair of spermathecae is present in the sixth segment. In the sixth segment, which opens by a median aperture. A median aperture in the dorsal wall. In the dorsal wall of the genital pouch. Next one. During copulation, the ova descend to the genital chamber. Okay, ova descend to the genital chamber where they are fertilized by the sperms. Okay, a pair of white branched collateral glands white or branched collateral glands present behind the ovaries. Forms a hard egg case called ootheca around the eggs. This is important. Genital pouches. Okay, now observe very carefully, children. We are discussing about the female reproductive system of the cockroach. Female reproductive system of the cockroach. We are going to discuss, right? Okay, the female reproductive system of cockroach consists of pair of ovaries, 2 ovaries. Next vagina, next genital pouch, next collateral glands, next spermathecae, next external genitalia. Once again, the female reproductive system of cockroach consists of pair of ovaries, vagina, genital pouch, collateral gland, spermathecae, external genitalia will be there. So a pair of ovaries lies laterally in the second and sixth abdominal segment. A pair of ovaries lies laterally in the second and sixth abdominal segment. So which segment? This is the neat bit. So where the ovaries are present in the cockroach, in the second and sixth abdominal segment. Each ovary is formed a group of 8 ovarian tubules. In the ovary, ovarian tubules are there, or ovarioles, containing a chain of developing ova. In the ovarian tubules or ovarioles, what will be present? Ova is present. X. The lateral oviducts of each ovary unite into a broad median common oviduct known as, so both the oviducts togetherly form common oviduct known as vagina, which opens into the genital chamber. Last chamber they will be. The vertical opening of vagina is the female genital pore. Next, a pair of spermatheca is present on the sixth segment. Spermatheca stores the sperms, which opens by a median aperture in the dorsal wall of the genital pouch. So, open to the genital pouch dorsal wall, they will be open. During copulation, the ova descend to the genital chamber where they are. So, in the genital chamber, sperms are there and the eggs will become, then where they are fertilized by the sperms. A pair of white or branched collateral glands also present behind the collateral glands, very important, present behind the ovaries, forms a hard egg case called ootheca around the eggs. Ootheca around the eggs. Once again, children, the female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, vagina, genital pouch, collateral glands, spermatheca, external genitalia. A pair of ovaries lies laterally in the second and sixth abdominal segment. Each ovary is formed of a group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles, containing chain of developing ova. Lateral oviducts of each ovary unite into a broad median common oviduct called vagina, which opens into the genital chamber. The vertical opening of vagina is the female genital pore. Vertical opening will be there. That is called female genital pore. Next, a pair of spermatheca is present in the sixth segment, which opens by a median aperture in the dorsal wall of the genital pouch. So, spermatheca open into the dorsal pouch. During the copulation, the ova descend the genital chamber, and where they are fertilized by the sperms. Like that, sperms and eggs will be fertilized. A pair of white branched collateral gland cells present behind the ovaries forms a hard egg case called ootheca around the eggs. Egg case is called ootheca around the eggs. Okay, children. Next, what will be there? The genital pouches. Next point. About this one, we are going to discuss. Okay. The genital pouch. The genital pouch is this one. You should have to remember. The genital pouch. The genital pouch is the genital pouch. The genital pouch. The genital pouch is formed by the genital pouch is formed by the 7th, 8th, 9th, okay, abdominal sterna. This is important. The genital pouch has 2 chambers. The genital pouches has 2 chambers. Very important. 2 chambers. Next, a genital chamber into a genital chamber into which the vagina opens and an oothecal, called oothecal chamber, where oothecal chamber where ootheca are formed. Next, three pairs of plate. Very important. The 3 pairs of plate-like chitinous structures. Which one? Chitinous structures. structures are present. Chitinous structures called gonophysis. Gonophysis are present around the gonophysis present around the, very important, around the female genital aperture. Female genital aperture. What you called aperture. This is important. Next, these gonophysis guide the ova. These gonophysis guide the ova into the ootheca. Okay, as ovipositors. Okay. Next, another important one we are discussing. Ootheca is a dark reddish. Okay, dark reddish to blackish brown. Blackish brown will be there. Blackish brown capsule about 12 mm long, which contains 12 mm long, which contains nearly 60 fertilized eggs. 16 fertilized eggs are there, and dropped or glued to a suitable surface. Okay, dropped a suitable surface. Okay, children, glued to a suitable surface. Usually, okay, where they will be dropped. Usually they will be drop. Okay, in the crack, or very important one, what you call crack, or next one is crevice of high. Okay, crevice of high relative. Okay, high relative. Most important thing is humidity near surface. Okay, humidity near surface. This is important. On an average, okay, on an average, each female cockroach on an average, each female cockroach produces nearly 15 to 40 oothecae. 15 to 40 oothecae. This is important, right? Which takes nearly, okay, for oothecae in its lifespan. This is important. In lifespan of about 1 to 2 years. Next, the embryonic development occurs. The embryonic development occurs. The embryonic development occurs, okay, in the ootheca. Okay, children, this is important. Next, which takes nearly which takes nearly which takes nearly 5 to 13 weeks. 5 to 13 weeks. The development of cockroach is the development of cockroach. The development of cockroach is gradual through nymphal stages. Okay, this is important. Parametabolous. Metabolous. Okay, children, this is important, right? Okay, observe very carefully. We are discussing the female reproductive system of the cockroach. The genital pouch is formed by the 7th, 8th, 9th abdominal sterna. You know, sterna, sternite. So, tergites, sternites, like that. So, the genital pouch has two chambers. A genital chamber into which the vagina opens and another oothecal chamber where ootheca are formed. Vagina opening and ootheca chamber are where ootheca are formed. There, once again, the genital pouches has two chambers. Okay, the genital pouch has two chambers. What are those two chambers? A genital chamber into which the vagina opens and an oothecal chamber where ootheca are formed. Next, three parts. Three pairs of plate-like chitinous structures. Called gonophyses. What is called? Gonophyses are present around the female genital aperture. Okay, female genital aperture. These gonophyses guide the ova into the ootheca as ovipositors. Okay, as ovipositor into the ootheca, the ova will be go as ovipositors. Ootheca. What about ootheca? Ootheca is a dark reddish to blackish brown capsule about 12 millimeters long, which contains nearly 16 fertilized eggs. In ootheca, how many eggs are there? 16 eggs, and dropped and glued to a suitable surface, usually crack or crevice of high relative humidity near surface. On an average, each female cockroach produces nearly how many? 15 to 40 oothecae in its lifespan of about 1 to 2 years. About how many years? 1 to 2 years lifespan. 15 to 40 oothecae will be formed. The embryonic development occurs in the oothecae, which takes nearly 5 to 13 weeks. The development of cockroach is gradual through nymphal stages. Nymphal stages there in the sense, okay, parametabolous. Nymphal stages there in the sense, parametabolous. Okay, children, observe carefully. The genital pouch is there in the cockroach is formed by the 7th, 8th, 9th abdominal sterna. Tergites, sternites are there. Dorsally tergites, ventral sternites, like that we studied or not? So sternites. The genital pouch has two chambers. A genital chamber into which the vagina opens. One is open into the vagina, and another and an oothecal chamber where ootheca are formed. Next, three pairs of plate-like chitinous structures called gonophyses are present around the female genital aperture. These gonophyses guide the ova into the ootheca as ovipositors. These gonophyses guide the ova into the which one? Ootheca as ovipositors. What is ootheca? As ovipositors. The ootheca is a dark reddish to blackish brown capsule about 12 millimeters long, which contains nearly 16, very important bit, 16 fertilized eggs, and dropped a glue to a suitable surface, usually crack or crevice of high relative humidity near the surface. Humidity is must and should because hatching important, no? And on average, each female cockroach produces nearly 15 to 40 oothecae in its lifespan about 1 to 2 years. The embryonic development occurs in the oothecae, which takes nearly 5 to 13 weeks. How many? 5 to 13 weeks for the development. The development of cockroach is gradual through nymphal stage is there. The nymphal stage is there in the sense that life cycle is called parametabolous. Okay, children, what do you call parametabolous? So later, the 13 times molting after adult form will be there. Okay, 13 times. How many times? 13 times molting after what will be formed? Adult. The nymph molting will be there. Nymph 13 times involved in the molting process. Then adult cockroach will be formed. Okay, this is about what we call female reproductive system of cockroach. Next class we will discuss about the some other characters of the cockroaches, especially this reproductive related, and frog we will start in the next class. Thank you, children.